Welcome to my kcse revision channel. Teacher James Marita, Grigol Boys High School. Kindly subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video. Today we are looking at kcse mathematics revision from homework, and our topic is statistics 2. We are looking at the frequency and the median, and the mean. So the frequency distribution a table below represents the number of kilograms of meat sold in a bucket. So we have mass in kilogram. The frequency, this one represents the number of people who bought meat. So between 1 kg to 5 kg, we have 2, frequency of 2. Then we have 6 to 10, we have 3. 11 to 15, we have 6. 16 to 20, we have 8. Then we have 21 to 25 is 3. 26 to 30 is 2. Then we have 31 to 35 is 1. We are supposed to state the mode of frequency, then you calculate the mean, then you finally calculate the median class. To state the mode of class, the mode of frequency in that case, it is the class. We have a class here which has the model class. If you want to study the model, you look at the class which has the highest frequency. So the highest frequency here in this case, we are getting at the class interval between 16 and 20. So between 16 and 20 is giving us the highest frequency, and the highest frequency becomes our mode of frequency. So the mode of frequency here in this case is equivalent to 8. Then calculate the mean. The mean is normally given by the summation of f of x, then divided by the summation of f. That is the total fx, and then we have the total divided by the total frequency in this case. So you need to modify our table such that we have our x. So our x here, 5 plus 1 by 2, this one will give us 3. On the other side, this one will give us 8. This one will give us 13. This one will give us 18. This one is 23. So we have 23. Then we have 28, and finally we have 33. How do you get that? 1 plus 5 divided by 2, you will get 3. 6 plus 10 by 2 is giving us 8. 11 plus 15 by 2, you have 13. 16 plus 20 by 2, you have as 18. 21, 25 divided by 2, you have 23. 26, 30 divided by 2, you have 28. Then we have 31, 35. 31 plus 35 divided by 2, that one is giving us 33. So how do you get the summation f of x? Summation f of x now, you get the frequency times x. So we have this is 2 multiplied by 3, summation of that, then plus 3 times 8. Then we have again plus 6 multiplied by 13. Next, we have 8 multiplied by 18. Next, we have 23. So we have this is 23 multiplied by 3. Then we have 2 multiplied by 28. Then finally we have 1 times 23. So we have this is 1 multiplied by, you multiply that one by, so 1 is multiplied by 33. Then we divide it by the summation of f. Summation of f, we are dividing this one by the summation of f. To divide that one by the summation of f, it is 3, then plus 8, plus 13, plus 18, plus 23, plus 28, then plus, in that case, we have we have plus, no, we are not adding that. It is 2, so it is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, then plus 1. And that one will give us the summation of 410. Then this one is giving us 25. Then we divide by that. We have 16 point. This one is we have, this is 16.4. So that is the mean. The mean is the summation of fx over the summation of f. Then we are supposed to calculate the median class. Median class, so we say median class is given by the lower class limit plus the number of items you divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency. This is the cumulative frequency above the model class. You divide it by the frequency of the class, then this one is multiplied by the class intervals in that case. So how do you get the lower class limit? To get the lower class limit, you need to have 25. You have this is 25 divided by 2. This one is giving us 20.5. So where do we get our 20.5? So if you take 2 plus 3, you get 5. 5 plus 6 is giving us 11. So we are not yet at 20.5. So you have to move extra where we can add 8 now. We add 8 to here, then we shall have 2. This one is 11 plus that one, so you 19. So 19, we are having our 20.5, 19. So the class, the lower class, the lower class limit, this one is 16 to a range of 16 and 20. So a range of 16 and 20, this is where we have our 12.5. So we pick 16 and 20. Our lower class limit now will be equivalent to P. The lower class limit is equal to P 16, so we have this one as this is 15.5. Our n, in that case, it is n divided by 2, so we have already done that one. The cumulative frequency, it is the frequency above the model class. Our class, we have this one as 16, 16 and 20. So if you take this 2 plus this one is 5, 10 plus this one is giving us 11. So the class above the cumulative frequency above our model class is here. So we are getting 11. So we have 5 plus 6 is giving us 11. So this one, in that case, you get 11. Then we have the frequency of the class. The frequency of the class, that one normally we pick 8. So that is 8. And then we have our class intervals is normally class intervals is equivalent to 5. So if you substitute there, we have our 15. This is 15.5. Then plus n divided by 2. You have this is as 20.5 minus the cumulative frequency above the model class. Cumulative frequency is here. So you subtract 11. You divide it by the frequency of the class. Our frequency of the class is equivalent to P 8. And this one is multiplied by the class intervals, which is equivalent, to 5. So we have as 15.5, then you add 1.5 divided by 8. This one is multiplied by 5. You multiply that one by 5, and if you work out that one properly, you will get the median class at 16.437.5. That is how you can get the median class. So you understand here that the model frequency, you pick the class with the highest frequency, and that is between 16 and 20. To calculate the mean, you should have the summation of fx, and that is why we have the table of x here. Then we divide by the total frequency. Then we have to calculate the median class. You using that formula, then you understand that First of all, to identify where we have to take n divided by 2. So our n divided by 2 is 25 divided by 2, which is giving us our 12.5. Our 12.5 in our frequency here, if you add up to here, it will give us 11. So we cannot be getting a 12.5. That means we have to add extra where we can add 8 such that we have 19. So if we add that one, then we have 11 plus 8 is giving us 19. Then our 12.5 falls between that and 19. Then we pick that the limit is therefore between 16 and 20. Then you substitute that one, you identify the class interval, you identify the frequency, the cumulative frequency, which is above the model class. The cumulative frequency above the model class means that you take this is 2 plus this one is giving us 5, 10 plus 6 is giving us 11. 11 is now our cumulative frequency above the model class limit, which is 8 in that case. So make sure you understand the formula very well for you to score well in this mathematics. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, watch and share.